How to fix AirPods not connecting to iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix AirPods not connecting to iPhone. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that you have updated your iOS. So to do that, you just simply go to your settings, scroll down a little bit and look for General. And then click on General and click on the second option, which is Software Update. Simply wait for it to load and also make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi or to your mobile data in order for you to see the latest update of the iOS. Simply click on Download and Install on the bottommost part of the page, and then you should wait for it to be done. And then the purpose for this one is that there might be bugs or any errors that the latest or the previous iOS that have made. So you should then update your iOS, and then I should assure you that the problem will be fixed. However, if your problem still continues, what I would like you to do is to make sure that your Bluetooth has been turned on. So click on Bluetooth and then make sure to click on the toggle button right here and make sure that the toggle button has turned into green and not gray. So simply click on it and then click on it once again. So basically you turn it off or on and then try to pair it with your iPhone once again. And then again, if it still doesn't work, you may now go to General again, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. So once you're in Transfer or Reset iPhone, simply click on Reset and then click on Reset Network Settings. So what this will do is that it will reset all of your network settings such as your Wi-Fi and most especially your Bluetooth. So the settings of your Bluetooth will be resetted, and then you should try to pair your AirPods to your iPhone. And then again, if the problem still continues, what I would like you to do is to simply contact the Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix AirPods not connecting to iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.